All right, here are some general overviews of using an iPad from Apple. To start off, in the top right corner, you're going to see the LTE and the battery percentage. If you go ahead and put your finger in that top right corner and you slide down, the control panel will open up. I want to focus here on these two dials that are moving now. The left one is the brightness, and the right one is your volume. So know that this is how you can adjust both of those, and you can also adjust the volume with the buttons on the side of the tablet. The top left box is also crucial. You're going to see 4 different icons: airplane mode, cellular data, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. You can go ahead and toggle each of these on and off. If you notice right now, I'm going to toggle the green button, which is the cellular data. You just noticed immediately that the LTE bars and the Verizon logo disappeared. And this is because now we do not have cellular data. Turn it back on. And it popped back up. Generally, when we're operating the device, this Wi-Fi button, or the one that I just toggled on, should remain off. And this is important because sometimes when we go to Amazon facilities, the iPad will automatically connect via Wi-Fi to the facility's Wi-Fi. And sometimes the facility will not allow outside devices to connect to their Wi-Fi. So what you want to do is go in here and make sure that the Wi-Fi button is toggled off. And we are just using the green cellular button. The Bluetooth button generally stays on, and this allows us to make sure that we are connected to the tractor and the truck, which is extremely important and critical for the Amazon Relay app and your ELD to work. So generally, we keep the Bluetooth button on. In the event that your dispatch or someone asks you to go ahead and turn the airplane button on and off, you can go ahead and click the airplane button in the top left, and you'll notice that everything turned off, and you can turn it on again. And now everything will turn back on. And again, we want to turn off Wi-Fi now. So it's just the green button on. That's the control center. You can tap anywhere on the screen to exit out of this. I want to go ahead and show one thing as well. On the physical iPad at the bottom, there's a home button. If you click the home button twice, you'll see that the apps that are currently open on the device came up. Sometimes you need to close an app and restart an app. When you close the app, you must double click the home button to open this and swipe up on each of these apps that are currently open. So I'm going to do it on the photos and now on the relay. And you'll notice that both of those apps are now closed. In the event that we need to update an app, you are going to go and find this icon, which should generally be on the home screen, but sometimes it may not. And that is the App Store icon. You can swipe and find it in the folder right here. You're going to go ahead and click that. And to update an app, you're going to search for the app. Generally, we're having to update the Amazon Relay app. So if you tap Relay, you'll see it here. In this case, the app is already updated, so it just says open. But when it's ready to be updated, it will say the word update. You can go ahead and click it at that time, and the app will update. In the event that you are asked to delete and reinstall an app, you will go here, and you're going to hold on the app that you are deleting. In our case, we're going to delete Relay. And you're going to see the minus sign. You're going to click the minus sign. And you're going to click Delete App. Do not click Remove from Home Screen. Click Delete App. And now, to reinstall the app, we're going to go to the App Store. And you're going to click this cloud button on the Amazon Relay to reinstall it. you'll see that it's reinstalling now. This is done every now and then when we're having issues with the applications, which definitely happens. And at times it's going to ask that we go ahead and reinstall this to see if that can help. You'll see that that is done. And that is it. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys.